What's up, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got another video for you on Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. So a problem that I've been having really recently, and since the beginning of the open beta, when I open up the game, head across to the multiplayer tab, and then go ahead and click invite players, I get my friends list as per usual, and of course, it's not really alphabetically sorted after a whole bunch of friends are added. Right now it seems to be pretty well sorted, but after a while of playing, it seems to get out of order. Anyway, assuming I find the person I want to invite, I'll go ahead and right-click on them and invite to party. But sometimes that invite to party option isn't there, and instead they'll appear offline, as these recent players over here do. Now, I'm quite sure a lot of these people who played recently are in fact online, and this one over here is online. As you can see, some of them quickly popped into existence, but this one over here is currently offline. If I were to right-click on him, I don't have an invite option. I can whisper, see player details, remove Activision friend, block, or report player. Now, usually what I do is when I find the player that I want to invite, I'll simply right-click on them and click whisper to bring up the chat over here. I'll then send them a message so that whenever I want to invite them to my lobby, I can simply open up the chat, right-click on their name, and then click invite. But as you can see, the invite option is not there and they're appearing offline. And on their screen, I'm currently offline as well. Or I'll see them online, they won't see me online, or I'll see them as offline and I'll be online instead. It's a very confusing process. Then eventually, when you get an invite to them or they get an invite to you, you click join and it says game session not available, unable to join. You invite them, they can't join your lobby, and you're not able to join each other, even though you probably have open NAT, or even both of you have open NAT as such. And if you'd like to find out how to do that, you'll find the video linked in the description down below. But with all of that plugging aside, if you can't join each other's lobby, then there's something very simple that you can go ahead and do. I'm currently trying to invite and play with other Blizzard players on PC. I'm not entirely sure how this would work with Xbox and console, but I would assume something similar to this. The issue is coming from having them added on two platforms at once. Yes, the developers know about this issue as far as I know, and they're working on a fix. By the time the game actually comes out, hopefully it'll be fixed. Otherwise, hopefully this fix will work for you. All you have to do is simply find them on a friends list, whether it be this invite players screen or social in the top right, friends, and on this screen, or recent players. And then once you've located them, simply right-click on them and then click remove Activision friend. Now, because I have this person added on Blizzard, I'm still able to invite them through Blizzard by right-clicking and clicking invite either on this screen or from the invite players screen over here. Now, of course, this player is actually offline as he's currently making dinner, but this is the fix that worked for me. We were able to see each other as online and everything was working as expected simply after removing them as an Activision friend while having them as a friend on Blizzard or whatever other platform you're using to play the game. And of course, if you didn't have them as an Activision friend in the beginning, try and add them as a friend, see if it works, remove them as a friend, and see if it works then. Simply playing around with the Activision friendship seems to fix the ability to invite people and join lobbies properly. I would assume that when the game releases fully, we can change the party from friends only to public. I'm currently not aware of a way to do this. And once that's possible, hopefully it'll be a lot easier to actually invite other people. I'm pretty sure this issue's only coming in between trying to invite them between two platforms at once. It's a rather weird fix, and I do hope they come up with a permanent solution, but this is what worked for me, and hopefully it'll work for you as well. If you find another solution to this issue and you'd like to share it, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. If I get a whole bunch of different fixes, I'll compile them into one and give you credit, of course, then go ahead and pin it. So if you're watching this video a couple of days later or possibly after release, I'll either have another video linked in the description and the comments down below, or you'll find a whole bunch of solutions on top of this in the comments as well. But either way, my name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and hopefully you found some use from this video. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.